Well, hello YouTube friends and fans. Today I'm going to review and use all three of these items. If you don't have them, you should have at least two of the three. The wire crimper, an automatic center punch, step drill bits. Stay tuned. I'll show you how they all work. Okay guys, gals, I am working on a lift arm for the snow blower power lift kit that I make. Stay tuned for an upcoming video. I'll show you how all this is put together. I've got switches, all kinds of stuff put together. So anyhow, the old spring-loaded punch here makes it so that creates a little indentation. Take a nice little step drill bit, and it'll find that mark. It'll go left or right. Nice thing is, the longer ones will let you go through thicker metal without actually wallering out the hole. There you have that real nice hole there. For the wire crimper, strip back the edge of your wire, put your terminal on. For your red, blue, and yellow fittings. Most of you are familiar with a kit like this. Yellow is going to be your 10-12 gauge. Red is going to be your smaller gauge, like 18 to 20, 22, and then the blue is 16, 14 in there. Basically with this tool, just align the fitting in it, crimps onto the wire and crimps on the insulation all in one motion. This wire shows up a lot better. Well friends, catch me on the next video. I'll be installing, assembling arm, all the cable, running the motor, testing it, and a nice little present in here to open up. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Alright, try not to laugh too hard. I sell some items on eBay. This is the listing of one of the items. A response question I got posed by a buyer Will size 7 fit a 42-inch waist? No, sorry. They won't stretch? Not that far. Why not? From the information I read, the waist is not that big. Well, what waist are they for? A toddler. Age 2 was his question. Thanks for watching. Tell me what your next response would have been.